Hello there, tech enthusiasts. We have a delightful surprise for you. Picture a Christmas celebration, but with a tech twist. At YorkiesBitsAndBobsHomeTech and at CZUR International are joining forces to deck your halls with cutting-edge technology. The presents under your tree could include a CZUR Fancy Pro, a CZUR wireless Bluetooth touchpad keyboard, and a CZUR PortaPack. Now, doesn't that sound like a Christmas you'd remember? Stick around to find out how you could be the lucky winner of these cutting-edge tech gadgets. Here's what you need to do to stand a chance to win these awesome prizes. First off, you're going to want to head over to Instagram and give a follow to both at CZUR International and at YorkiesBitsAndBobsHomeTech. That's right, just a simple tap on that follow button for each of these accounts gets you in the running for some amazing tech goodies. Next up, we're heading over to the world of Facebook. Navigate your way to and hit that follow button. We're all about spreading the tech love, so make sure to follow the page to stay updated. Now, the third rule here is all about sharing the love. You're going to want to share the giveaway post on your own Instagram story. But don't forget to tag at CZUR International and at YorkiesBitsAndBobsHomeTech when you do. We want to see that love being spread far and wide. Last but not least, you're going to want to tag at least 2 of your friends in the comments of the giveaway post. Remember, the more you comment, the bigger your chances of winning, so don't be shy. Tag your tech-loving friends, your family, your neighbor, your neighbor's dog. Okay, maybe not the dog, but you get the idea. Remember, the more you engage, the higher your chances of winning. So start tagging and sharing right away. We're excited to see your entries pouring in. Remember, the deadline for this amazing giveaway is just around the corner. Don't miss out on the chance to win these top-notch CZUR gadgets. We're talking about the Fancy Pro, the wireless Bluetooth touchpad keyboard, and the PortaPack, all cutting-edge tech, all up for grabs. Participating is not just about the chance to win, but it's also about the thrill of the game itself. It's about sharing the joy of technology with friends and family. It's about being part of a community that appreciates innovation and creativity. So let's make this a memorable Christmas celebration. Let's spread the cheer, let's share the love for tech. Remember, the more you comment, the higher your chances of winning. The clock is ticking, folks. Follow, share, tag, and you could be celebrating this Christmas with some fabulous new tech gadgets. Good luck!